Hello everyone. Today we will make teaching plan for subject English and class 3. So let's start making teaching plan. 4 columns are at the top of the page. Date, class, subject, time will be written. Learning outcome, first heading is the child is able to recite a poem from the textbook with correct pronunciation using proper action and gesture. Topic: Ding Dong Bell. 3. Required material: chart paper, poem written on chart paper, hard words on flashcard, and material available on Diksha app. Below that, fourth heading is teaching, learning, process or activity. In this, there are 4 columns: serial number, steps, time and method of assessment. In below steps, first heading is in the beginning of teaching. The teacher will talk to children with following questions. The teacher used both language Hindi as well as English during the discussion. It takes 5 minutes, which is written in the time column, and observation or conversation will be written on the assessment column. The questions may be like this: what is the sound of your school bell? Can you make sound of different bell that you have heard? Different bells make different sound. Try and make the sound of a phone bell, cow bell, bus bell. The students will give different answer. During teaching, teacher will recite the poem with proper action and gesture. Children will repeat after teacher. Then teacher explain poem in simple Hindi as well as English language so that student understand the poem and take interest. Teacher also show video present in Diksha app to make the class interesting. हिंदी अनुवाद: डिंग डोंग घंटी पूसी कुएं में है, किसने उसे अंदर डाला? नन्हे पतले टॉमी ने, किसने उसे खींचकर बाहर निकाला? नन्हे मजबूत टॉमी ने। कितना नटखट लड़का था वह बेचारी पूसी को डुबोने के लिए। यह कविता का हिंदी अनुवाद था. Activity: the activity creation done in ground where students make a circle and teacher stand in center with the action and rhythm. Teacher rhymes the poem. During teaching process take around 20 minutes. Activity takes around 10 minutes and observation will be written in the method of the assessment column. In activity, children rhymes with teacher and follow the same action will be written in the assessment column. After teaching, now the teacher asks the students to recite the poem aloud. She observed them well. After this, teacher asks some questions from the poem and write the hard words and meaning on the board. Below that, homework: do practice. Some words are given so the students can read aloud at home. तेज से पढ़ें घर पर जिससे याद हो जाएं और शब्द समझ में आए. नेक्स्ट टीचिंग प्लान. नेक्स्ट teaching plan. According to the children learning outcome, the teacher will decide her upcoming teaching plan. Thank you.